Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you could see your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. So maybe you might have saved something a long time ago, but you just don't know where to find it. Well, this video is going to teach you how to find it again and be able to see it. Now, for an example, let's just say I want this Scion FRS coupe and I'll just go ahead and save it. Now, when you save it, you'll be able to see your view saved right there. You can do this with other posts and view it automatically by clicking the view saved there, but if you don't have that option, then you would go to the top right hand corner right next to the search bar and just click the person icon right here and then click saved items. And when you do, it'll show you all of your saved items here. So you click on it again and view it. So that's how you do it. That's how you see your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribing for the algorithm, and I will see you all for another video. Thank you guys for watching.